I figured I better not turn the camera on because I had a son that was not too happy. You darn truckers, I tell you what. Well, hello there. How are you beautiful people on this nice, beautiful day? Figured I'd start the video when the noon whistle goes off. Alright, well, what we're doing today is Dork and Dorker, Opie and Jax, they're going to go to the vet. So I'm walking up to get Warden's car from work because, well, if you watched yesterday's video, then you know I don't have a vehicle. I gave the flatbed to Tater Tot because I thought I could get the dually going. Either which way, let's head to the vet. Boy, Tater Tot wasn't kidding the other day. That box is very heavy. And we got the wheel spacers. I tell you what, Rough Country impressed me. They really did. I mean, they sent me that probably within 3 days of ordering it. I got it. I mean, it was in my house, in my possession. They did really good. And if the dually would have been fixed, we'd be on the road right now with it. Probably looking for a garage to put that lift kit on. Are you guys ready for today? Are you? How about you, Jax? Jax, are you ready? Are you ready? We have a very big day today. All right, jump up in Mama's car. I'm mean. I'm so mean. They have no clue where they're going. No clue at all. I gotta run back up to the house here and grab their leashes. We're gonna take them to the vet. They're just gonna get a little checkup. Well, and shots. I never get my dogs a kennel cough shot because they never go to kennels. Well, now that Opie's riding around with me more, I'm gonna get him that kennel cough shot because, well, he sees all parts of this country and smells a lot of dog poop. How are you two doing back there? Pretty good? My vet is up in the city, up in Sioux City, so it's about a 45-mile drive. We're gonna run up here. I think I'm gonna swing by and grab little Bud from school, and then that way he can grab some fish when he's up there. Yesterday's video, and then head for home because I told him I'd take him up to get fish today, and I was planning on making 2 trips. You know, going to get the dogs done at the vet, coming home, grabbing him, going back up, coming home. It just makes sense to go this way. You know, I think this winter is going to be the winter of the fog. It has been foggy now for 2 weeks straight, and it just won't lift. The kids had a late start this morning because the fog was so thick. They couldn't even, heck, I looked out the front window and I had First Class parked out front this morning. I could barely even see that truck sitting there. So I think this winter we're just gonna call it the winter of the fog. yet, Opie? We're at the vet. Yeah. How about you, Jax? Do you know where we're at? Yeah, this is where I brought the boys when they got hit by the car. Or, I'm sorry. This is where I brought the boys...
It's not recording.
Yeah, it is. This is where I brought the boys where they hit a car. I don't know if I've told you guys that story or not. These two boneheads went running out the front door of my house, got after a squirrel, ran across my street, and there was a pickup, one of those Ford Explorer pickups coming down the road, and my dogs hit it. Yeah, Opie hit the front corner of the bumper, Jax hit the door of the Ford Explorer pickup. What is it, Sport Track, I think they call that? I don't know. But it was $3,500 in damage that my house insurance covered, because Opie here ripped off the front plastic of the bumper on the pickup, and Jax right there caved in his driver's side door. Yeah, caved in a door, and he ripped off the front plastic of the bumper of that pickup. And you want to know what happened to the dogs? Do you remember what happened to the dogs, bud?
Nothing happened to Jax.
Nothing happened to them. Nothing at all happened to Jax. Opie got cut up a little bit.
He started bleeding.
Yeah, just little tiny cuts, you know, about if you fall down or something.
Mm-hmm.
It was amazing.
Mm-hmm.
I threw him in the pickup, and we drove, me and the boys drove very, very quickly up here to the city, because we do have a vet right there in town, but it's not a hospital, and I wanted to get up here to an animal hospital as fast as I could, because I thought maybe they'd have internal bleeding or something. And I think it was almost $1,000 later after x-rays and stuff. I think, you know, Opie, there's another dog back there. Can we show Jax a little bit? They don't get to see Jax, they always get to see you.
And Opie covers his head.
Opie's a camera hog, isn't he, bud?
Mm-hmm.
Are you excited for today too? Because you get to go get your fish.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Alrighty, well, we are early, so I'm going to let the boys run around a little bit outside, get some stretching in before we go in. What we sniffing now? Huh? Jax, what are you on to? This floor smells very good, Father. How about you, Ope? Oh, buddy. How you doing?
Good.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Well, yeah, you know, Opie realized that we're on.
Go.
Yes, Opie, I have the camera. You can come back now.
I'm gonna tangle their leash.
Just let him down. Yeah, you know. Mm-hmm. Oh, you look so nervous, you big baby. You look so nervous. It'll be okay. I promise you. Look at him. He's trying to climb up on my lap. Jax, I always knew you were a window licker. You boys better love me. That's all I'm gonna say. That was a lot of money. Yeah? $607 later. They're almost as expensive as you guys. But not even close. Not even close. $607 later. That still isn't close to how much money I spend on you Rugrats. Speaking of spending money, we're going to run in here now and spend some more money.
Not too much.
My truck is parked and I'm spending money. That's not a good thing. Yeah. All right,
Hey,
let's... What?
Blame Mom. She's the one who said we're getting fish.
We're getting fish, okay. All right, we're just blaming Morgan. She said we could get fish. We're going to run in here, grab some fish. Let's go see how much this costs. Be back with you guys later. Well, hello. Yes. There's Jax. There's Opie. Guys, it's about about an hour and a half later. I figured I better not turn the camera on because I had a son that was not too happy. You darn truckers. I tell you what. You darn truckers. Apparently their load of fish did not come in. It was supposed to come in at 7 o'clock this morning. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and there was no fish yet. So that's where we sit on the fish front. Bud was not happy. It's okay. I told him we'd come back up in a couple days. Give the truckers some time to get there. We know how you truckers are. Ha-ha. Right? Ha-ha. Alright, well, then on another news, it turns out Opie, that one right there, he has a serious problem. He has a problem to where he likes to eat dog crap. And I stop him all the time. Well, he must have got a hold of some while me and you were talking on the camera. He does not have worms. He has eggs. So I need to get back up to the vet and get the dewormer. You guys remember that part when I told you the vet was up in Sioux City, which is 45 miles from me? And I just got the call from the vet when I was coming into town here to home. So I kicked Tater Tot out of the flatbed. And I said, until the dually's up and going, we're going to share this pickup, because I got to have a pickup. I can't stand driving that darn car everywhere. So right now, me and the boys, we're heading back up to the city. I can't make this up, guys. I really can't. It's been an interesting day, between finding out how much it cost at the vet, finding out that Bud couldn't get his fish. That he worked really hard for those fish, but he couldn't get them. That's all right. This is teaching him patience. He just has to wait till Sunday to get them. And then I'm still frustrated about the dually, about the other pickup. We'll make this one work. I like this pickup. I told you guys before I like this pickup. I can tell you right now, I promise you, he loves this pickup, because this is the only pickup I let him in the front seat. Only pickup he gets right up front. And he likes it because he can ride in the middle and see everything. We're just going to have to watch him a little bit better when I'm at the truck stops, letting him go to the bathroom. When I'm talking to you guys, probably, I'll just maybe have to talk a little bit. Maybe just have to let him out, put him back in, then talk to you guys walking around the truck. Type of thing. Alright, be back with you in a little bit. This is all for you. I hope you're happy. Just because you eat dog poop. Well, Dad, you let me... Well, sorry about your luck. It's not going to happen anymore, though. That's right. I'm going to watch you a little bit better when we're out there. I guess I don't really think about it too much. You snacking on stuff. Maybe I'm looking down or maybe looking at the camera. Here on out, though. I'm on to you. No more snacking. Yeah. That's just gross anyway, by the way. You know that? Do you have anything to add to that? You're scared. You know we're at the vet again, don't you? No, don't worry. You're not going in this time. Well, there was another $57. So $657. Yeah. $657 I dropped on you boys today. $57 because of your little habit. Just don't take me back in there, Dad. Please don't take me back in there. Oh, you liked it, Jax. You know it was. Because most of it was for you. Yeah? I had to give you a lot of medicine. Not really a lot of medicine, just a shot and some new stuff. Yes, that's a person with their cat. Leave them be. Alright guys, well this video is probably getting a little long-winded, so we're just going to go ahead, slice it off right here, and tell you that you guys make sure you stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Dad, you should smell this. You should smell it. It smells so good. Ooh, this one's a pretty girl. Yeah. Oh, Opie, you're a dork. Yeah. I don't have a voice for you, do I, Jax? No, you are the wise old timer. Even though you guys are brothers.